By leveraging ALLTO Slab Python parts and ALLPLAN punching shear Python parts, the Kaserne residential project is able to meet its ambitious deadlines. The ALLTO Slab Python parts automate the creation of reinforcement designs for slabs, ensuring precise placement of bars and accurate coverage in line with Eurocode 2. Column dowels are steel reinforcement bars that connect columns to other structural elements, such as foundations, beams, or upper columns. The Python parts update the reinforcement design dynamically, saving time on manual recalculations and redrafting. The punching shear Python parts simplify the design of reinforcement for slab column connections, where punching shear can be a concern. The tool automates the placement of shear rails or stirrups, ensuring adequate reinforcement around loaded areas. ALLTO Slab tool and punching shear Python parts significantly reduce manual work, improve accuracy, and expedite the generation of detailed rebar drawings for both slabs and critical punching shear zones,